Hello and welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas. Today it's all about white radish and the long white radish. We can do it this time of year and it's a great example of a quick crop. So you put it in the ground and it goes off really quickly. But the most important thing you need to do is prep the ground and prep it really well. I'll give you a demonstration because we don't go through this enough. To make sure you have a very fine tilt on the soil, and all I do, if it's dry and you've got big lumps in it, give it a bit of a soaking like that. Now let it sit for around 5 minutes. Let that water get into those bigger lumps of dirt, and then we can go and smooth it over. Now you definitely need a rake for this, and you use the back of a rake and hammer those lumps in. Use the back, keep it, make it nice and flat. So when you see all those gardens on Gardener's World with a perfect soil and you think, I can't achieve it, now you know the trick. We just hit it with a bit of water, settle it in, break those lumps up, and then it will go into that fine till for you. Even if it's dry as a bone, it'll crumble down. Just keep doing it until you get the right consistency and the lovely perfect soil ready for sowing. Now the variety of long radish I've gone for is Icicle long white, so it's I-C-I-C-L-E. Bit of a weird one, but this, it is your last month to sow it, so stick it in the ground now and let's get that crop through and out the ground before winter hits. Now you'll probably have heard of daikon white radish, and there are 100 different varieties of that, and it is from Japan and they love it, and that one can get really long. The Icicle that I'm growing is a shorter version, so it won't go down so deep, it won't take as long to grow, and hopefully, cross everything, it'll do well on a UK allotment. Now for marking out your spacing, you want a simple tool and it's called a stick, and we just make an indent, and it's a nice line and it's beveled in the middle so you can sow those seeds going straight along. And we want the spacing to be around 2 inches apart. So don't worry if you sow too thickly, you can always thin these out. And then we just cover them over and water in. It's as easy as that. Once these start to show, like I said, if they are too close together, thin them out and they'll grow on beautifully and they'll be ready to harvest in around 60 days. With the long white radish, please be careful not to put too much nitrogen on the bed. You'll just get more leaf than root, and in this case we want root. This has had loads of manure in it in the past. It's a very healthy bed. If this was in dire need of a bit of fertilizer, I would probably go for my old favorite, a bit of blood, fish and bone, very lightly on the top. The simple reason being, it's a slow release fertilizer. It will just go into the ground, give it that nutrients and help it grow over the next 60 days.